Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you how to change your Shopify payout schedule. So let us jump straight in. The first thing you want to go ahead and do is go over to your settings, which is located on the bottom left of your screen. And over here, you're going to tap on your payments. So right from payments, right at the top, it says Shopify Payments, and this is where you will manage all of your Shopify payment options. We're going to go to the right-hand side and tap on Manage, and we can scroll all the way down to where we see Payout Schedule. Now over here on Payout Schedule, you can see that you can have it every business day. You can also select every week. And then you can choose what day of the week you can have that done, and also every month, and you can choose the day of the month, right? And then at the bottom, you can see that there's the enable notifications. This will allow you to get notifications via email every time you receive a payout. Now, obviously, this will take some time for it to get to your actual bank account. However, you can now manage how frequently you receive payouts to your bank account. Now, if this guide was helpful, you can go ahead and drop us a like. We'll see you in another awesome video. Peace.